Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ajay and today I'm in Marbella, another beautiful white town in the south of Spain. So Marbella falls in the Andalucian region of Spain and is about 60 kilometers from Malaga. Marbella is often called the jewel of Costa del Sol and it has beautiful weather all throughout the year. It is a big city with really good beaches and boasts of a 27-kilometer coastline. But right now I'm a little away from the beach. I'm in the old town of Marbella.
Como si yo cuando voy y te compro algo digo, no, que yo te compro esto, yo te digo a ti que te compro algo.
I don't understand Spanish, but I think the couple is fighting. So today, I will be exploring the old town of Marbella, and while I walk through its street, I'll tell you some interesting stuff about Marbella, delve a bit into its history, and yes, also tell you a love story which in a sense is linked to this town. As you can see, the old town has beautiful narrow streets with white walls and blue pots. White walls and blue pots are a common theme across all white towns in Spain. If you have seen my earlier videos of Mias and Sentinel, you would have seen that. But Marbella has the most number of blue pots, and I don't think I've seen these many blue pots in my life. You will see these spots as I keep walking the streets of the old town. Now let's talk some history. So Marbella was under the Roman Empire and it was called Salduba back then. During the Roman era, it was a thriving center for wine and oil production. Then the Moors came in the 8th century and its name was changed to Marbella, which translates to the walled city. Under the Moors, the city was a vital trading and a cultural hub within Al-Andalus, or as it is now known as the Andalucian Region. You will see a lot of the remnants of the Moorish city walls spread across the old town. Then in the 15th century, the Reconquista happened, and Marbella transformed from a Muslim town to a Christian town. And because of that, Marbella has the Church of Our Lady of the Incarnation and the Plaza De Los Naranjos. We will see both these places in the video. But there's a totally different side to Marbella, which you don't see here in the old town. It's quite an experience walking through these narrow streets. Reminds me of the kissing lanes in Santa Cruz 7. So Marbella is actually a luxury destination. A lot of rich people live here and Hollywood stars and famous personalities like Antonio Banderas, Eva Longoria, Sean Connery, Hugh Grant, Novak Djokovic, David Beckham, and Rod Stewart have their mansions here and are frequent visitors to Marbella. The 1980s saw the arrival of Arab investors to Marbella, and we all know how rich they are. That's why Marbella also has lavish palaces owned by Arabs. Now these walls with blue pots are where you can get perfect pictures for Instagram. And people were lining up to take pictures with the wall. In fact, there was a group of girls who got pissed at me because I came in their frame. So when there are rich people at a place, it means that the place would have rich people stuff like beach clubs, upscale resorts, golf courses, luxury brand shops and Michelin star restaurants. By the way, what do you think of Michelin star restaurants? I believe they are overrated and personally I would prefer eating at the local restaurants like the many that you have seen here in the Marbella Old Town. This is the Church of Our Lady of the Incarnation and the square is quite beautiful.
Okay, so you have the other part of the city walls and the Church of Our Lady of the Incarnation.
This place is so picture perfect. Let's go inside the church. The church, as you can see, is quite exquisite. Just a short stroll from Marbella's old town towards the beach, you will find Avenida del Mar. It's an open-air sculptural gallery featuring 10 original bronze sculptures based on designs by Salvador Dali, the famous Spanish artist. Now, Dali had an unconventional love story. In 1929, when Dali was only 25, he met a woman named Gala. Gala was Russian and her original name was Elena Ivanovna Diakonova and was 10 years older than him. They fell in love with each other. She became his muse, his inspiration, and also his manager. The reason why I said that the love story was unconventional was because she was already married to a French poet. She eventually left him and married Dali, but it gets even more interesting from here. They had an open relationship. Gala had other lovers with Dali's permission, and Dali also gifted her a medieval castle, and he was only allowed to visit the castle by her written invitation. Gala passed away in 1982, and Dali was devastated. He withdrew from public life and some say lost his will to live or create. He died 7 years later. So what do you think of Dali and his love story? Personally, I think he may have been a great artist, but he was an idiot in love. I'm back into the narrow streets now, and the next destination is the Orange Square. There are quite a few shops here, so if you like shopping, you're gonna love this place even more. That must have hurt. I'm not sure what she was trying to do there. Check out this wall with Jesus on it. And I thought there are only blue pots in this town. This is the Plaza De Los Naranjos, or the Orange Square, and is the heart of the old town. And why is it called the Orange Square? Because it has lots of orange trees. Must say this plaza is quite incredible. As you can see, there are a lot of restaurants and cafes in and around the square. I have accidentally reached this beautiful street with restaurants and children playing. And I think these streets are way more beautiful than the ones I saw earlier. And I see another beautiful church and a colorful place at the end. Now this colorful place is a restaurant and organizes flamenco performances. I wanted to see one, but they said that the show was after 7 p.m. in the night, which I won't be able to attend. I'm tired from all the walking, so I'll just grab a chair at one of these restaurants and have a nice meal. That was the video. I hope you enjoyed exploring the old town of Marbella with me. I've been traveling for over 3 years now, and I'll be posting regularly with at least one video every week, showing you different places from around the world. I'll see you in the next video where I explore Puerto Banos, which is a few kilometers away from Marbella. Thanks for watching.